So today for our phonics lesson, we are going to continue looking at some of the common exception words. As you can see, I've put the list up here just to remind you of what those are. We do this a lot in our classroom. We have them up in the classroom as well to remind us hanging from the ceiling, and you know how important they are. Now, the common exception words are words that can be tricky to learn how to spell. So, yesterday you should have done an activity on the BBC, and today we're just going to continue practicing some of these. And these words down here, these common exception words, will be your spellings for the week, for your spelling test next week. So, I'm going to just show you an example of some of the activities that you can do to practice learning how to spell them. So, for instance, for the word because, so the first thing that you could do is you could try to clap out the word to see how many syllables it's got. So for instance, can you hear that? How many syllables did because have? Because. Okay, so it's got 2 syllables in it. There are lots of activities to help you practice writing them. Practice writing the word as well. So finish off the word because some of the letters are missing in these words here. So I would like you to try and have a practice at those. Here, there are some sentences and you need to fill in the missing word. So read the sentence, put in the missing word because this will help you. The more you write it, the more you will remember it. You can choose the activities that you want to do. There are some for each of the words today. So we had because, we've got both, behind, and beautiful, and finally father. So have a look at the different activities, have a go at some of those, either saying them out loud, writing them in your book. It's really good to practice writing them so that you can remember how to spell them. And then your challenge could be to write your own sentences using these words. See how many of these words can you use in a sentence. Okay, so good luck with your phonics.